the Cardano price correction truly over, or are we looking at an even bigger 33% drop from where we stand today? If you're an ADA holder or considering getting into the market, this is a video you cannot miss with analysts painting a mixed picture. There are major moves you need to know about before making your next decision. Stay with me as we dive into the charts, break down expert predictions, and uncover why Cardano might still have some tough times ahead. Hello, fellas watching from all around the world. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your #1 plug for all things crypto, where we provide up-to-date news, analysis, and insights to help you navigate this volatile market. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any crucial updates. And trust me, today's episode is one you'll want to stick around for, especially if you're holding Cardano or planning to invest. The big question is Cardano's correction far from over, or are we nearing the bottom? Let's dive in and uncover the facts. As we all know, the past few days have been rough for altcoins across the board, but Cardano seems to have taken quite a hit. Bitcoin is showing signs of recovery, but ADA? Not so much. Today, we're going to explore why some experts think this is just the beginning of a deeper correction, and others believe we could see a major recovery soon after. I'll walk you through the key price levels to watch out for and what strategies analysts are recommending for those holding ADA in these uncertain times. Make sure to stay till the end for all the details you need to make informed decisions. Now, let's get right into it. Cardano has been on a roller coaster ride in recent months, but in the last 7 days, we've seen a sharp 11.37% drop in ADA's price, driven by broader market trends, including increased geopolitical tensions and concerns over a potential global economic slowdown. If you're holding ADA, you might be wondering, is this just a blip or is there more pain ahead? First, let's take a look at the latest market data. Over the last 24 hours, we've seen a slight uptick in ADA's price as the broader crypto market shows some early signs of recovery. Bitcoin, for instance, has bounced back 3.5% from its recent lows of $60,000 and is now trading around $62,142. As is often the case, altcoins like Cardano tend to follow Bitcoin's lead, so it's tempting to think that ADA might be ready for a rebound, but not so fast. Analyst Alan Santana recently published an analysis suggesting that the worst may not be over for Cardano. He predicts that ADA could drop even further to as low as $0.2367, which would represent a 33.4% drop from its current market price of approximately $0.3552. This is a pretty bold call, but Santana's prediction isn't based on gut feeling. He's using technical analysis to support his case. Santana points out that ADA has failed to break through its MA2000 trend line, a critical resistance level that tracks the asset's 200-day moving average. For those unfamiliar with the technicals, the MA2000 is an important indicator used by traders to identify long-term trends. A failure to breach this line suggests that the bulls are losing steam and that the bears may still be in control, and when that happens, prices tend to fall. But that's not all. Santana also highlighted the low trading volume surrounding ADA's price movements. Simply put, there hasn't been enough buying pressure to sustain a meaningful recovery. In technical terms, this is called a lack of bullish momentum, which often leads to further price declines. Santana believes that Cardano's price could continue its downtrend until it hits $0.2367, which is the base of a bullish expanding triangle pattern that he's been tracking. This might sound bad, but here's the silver lining. If ADA reaches this level, it could mark the final phase of its current correction before we see a strong recovery. Let's talk more about this potential massive pullback and what it means for you. Santana speculates that once ADA touches $0.2367, we could see a prolonged recovery phase. This isn't something that will happen overnight. It might take weeks or even months to play out, but it's something every ADA investor should keep in mind. According to Santana's analysis, if ADA can hold that key support level at $0.2367, it could surge toward its next major resistance level at $0.4326, which is another significant price target as it coincides with the MA200 with the MA200 level. If ADA breaks above this resistance, we could be looking at a climb back to its yearly high of $0.7742, a level last seen in March of this year. However, Santana does note that we might not see 80 at that high until Q1 2025. So if you're a long-term investor, this might be an opportunity to accumulate 80 at a discount, but patience will be key. Are you enjoying this in-depth breakdown? If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps support the channel. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important updates like this one. Now, let's get back to the analysis. While Alan Santana's prediction may seem bearish, there's another analyst who presents an even more pessimistic view of Cardano's future, believes that ADA could fall as low as $0.15, a price level last seen in 2021. According to Trader, Cardano's fall below the $0.40 support level was a strong signal that it was time to short the asset. For those unfamiliar with the term, shorting means betting that the price of an asset will go down, and it's a strategy that can be particularly lucrative in a bear market. He argues that Cardano's failure to hold the $0.40 level has opened the door for even more downside. He believes that the broader market conditions, coupled with a lack of new developments or catalysts for Cardano, will continue to weigh on the price. If his prediction comes true, ADA could tumble to $0.15, a massive decline from its current levels. This is where things get complicated for investors. Do you hold out hope for a recovery, or do you cut your losses now and wait for a better buying opportunity? Both analysts agree that ADA is in a downtrend, but they disagree on how low the price could go and when it might recover. So where does that leave us? Both analysts are clearly predicting further downside for ADA, but their timelines and price targets differ. Santana sees a potential bottom at $0.2367, while Ray Trader is aiming much lower at $0.15. What does this mean for you as an investor? First, it's crucial to keep an eye on key support levels like $0.2367 and $0.15. If ADA approaches these levels, we could see increased volatility as traders decide whether to step in and buy or continue selling. Second, consider your investment horizon. If you're a short-term trader, this might be a good time to stay on the sidelines or even look for shorting opportunities. But if you're a long-term investor, this correction could provide a great chance to accumulate more ADA at discounted prices. Either way, this is definitely a situation to watch closely over the next few weeks. That's all for today's video on Zaki Crypto Update. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below with your thoughts on where ADA might be headed, and of course, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more in-depth crypto news and analysis. Also, make sure to check out my other videos where I dive into the latest developments in the crypto space. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.